Hi friends, Learn with Krishna. Welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see one important program, how to reverse words in string in Java. How to reverse words and string in Java. So this we'll see with the help of stack. How do we do this? So the output should be, given the input hello world, the output should be OLLEHDLROW. So this should be the output. We need to reverse the individual words in the string. So given this is the string, what we need to do? So first we need to create a stack. Create a stack till we get the space and push all the elements into the stack. So first like this. So once we create the stack, store all elements into the stack till we get the space. So first enter H and then E and then L and then L and then O. So till we get the space, till we encounter the space, we are going to store the elements in the stack. Once we get the space, so now we got the space after storing the elements O. Now what we need to do? We need to pop the elements from the stack. So how do we pop? Using the stack.pop, what pop will do? It will return the topmost element from the stack. So whenever we are popping the elements, we'll get the values like this: O, L, L, E, H. So till the stack is empty, we'll be reversing the element. Again, after the space, will not store any elements, will pop. Now again we'll increment. Now we got the word. What we'll do? Again we'll push the elements into the stack. So once we remove all the elements from the stack, stack will be empty. Now once the stack is empty and after we cross this space, what we are going to do? We are going to add element into the stack. W, O, R, L, D. Like this we'll be storing. But here, till we, as I told you, till we encounter space, we are going to pop the elements. But since this is the last word, since this is the last word and we don't have any other words, so once it reaches this, end of the string, what we need to do? Once it reaches the string dot length, what we need to do? We need to pop the element. So here again we need to, what we need to do? We need to pop D. So when we pop the element from this, we'll get D. Again L, again R, again O, again W. So these are the values which we are going to pop the elements from the stack. So hope you understand the logic. So now what we will do is we'll write a program to implement the same. Public class reverse words, main method, and then here what we are going to do? We are going to add the elements into the stack. So how are we going to add the elements? First we'll write a simple method called stack reverse word. So here we'll write a method. So what is that method name? Static void reverse words. To this, what we are going to pass? We are going to pass the string to this reverse words method, string str. Now what we are going to do? We are going to create a stack inside this. Stack of character st equal to new stack of character. So here we have created a stack, and then what we are trying to do? We are going to iterate through the string. So how do we iterate? For int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. So till we reach the end of the stack. So what we need to do? Here we are iterating through the each string. each element in the, each character in the string, we are going to iterate. And what we are going to do, we are going to push that element into the stack till we encounter the space. So for that, what we are do, if str.char add, if str.char add not equal to, if str.char add not equal to if it is not equal to space, what we need to do, we need to push the elements into the stack. So here let's see why are we getting the error. For the caret method, the method caret int in the type is not applicable for the arguments empty. So here just pass the value I. So that means here what we are checking, whether the whether this each element, whatever the value we are iterating, individual character, okay, is space or not. If it is not equal to space, what we need to do, we need to push the element into the stack. Already we have created a stack. So what I am going to do, st.push and then push the value into the stack. str.char add I. Now if the character is not equal to space, what we need to do, if the character is not equal to space, just say else, okay, pop the elements into the stack from the stack till we get out. So while st.empty equal to false, string.empty equal to false, sys out st.pop. Now what we need to do, so just say system.out.println empty value. Why we are giving this? So whenever it encounters the space, at that time this statement get executed. Now what we need to do, so as I told you, once it reaches the, first in the hello world, whenever a space is encountered, we are popping the elements. After that, for world, what we are doing, we are going to push the element. Then how are we going to reverse the words, characters in the world? For that block, here I am writing till the stack is empty. Till the stack is empty, we need to pop the elements from the stack. So how do we do that? Sys out st.pop. So this is the method. Okay, I'll explain you while debugging as well one more time. So main method, sorry, already main, I have written this main method. This is the main method. So just pass the string, whatever the string we want to, reverse words of hello world. Now let's run the program and see the output. Hello is coming, but world is not coming. Why? Because of this character thing, I think so. Let me check. Okay, here while st.empty equal to false, till it become false we need to print, but here I am saying true, so that is the reason world is not getting printed. Let's run the program and see the output. If you see hello world, so what I'll do is I'll debug the program and explain you how it works. So first what we are doing, we are calling the method reverse words and passing hello world. So after passing the hello world, so let's see where we get the debug. So here we are getting the hello world, correct? So after that what we are doing, we are creating a stack, and then what we are doing, we are iterating the each character in the string. So the hello world, so we are starting from H, we are iterating the hello world. So starting from H, what we are doing, we are checking whether this each character is space or not. If it is not space, we are inserting the element into the stack. So we are checking for that. We are using the method called char at. So since the value at first value is h, which is not equal to space, we are pushing the element into the stack. Okay, str dot char at I, which is h. Again, what we are doing? Next character is what? Str dot char at I 1, which is equal to second. What is the second character? E, which is not equal to space. So push the element into the stack. What is the third character? L, which is not equal to space. Push the element into the stack. Okay, push the element into the stack. So now stack will contain what? 3 characters, H, E and L. So if you see stack, 3 characters will be there, H, E, L. Now what is the fourth character? Again L, one more L. If you see here, hello. Now what is the next character? O. Push the, since it is not equal to space, push the element into the stack. Now we got hello. Now if you see, what is the next character after hello? Space. Since it is not equal to space, okay, no. What we need to do? This will come to this else condition. Why? Because since it is space, this if block will not get executed and it will come to else block. So since still the stack becomes empty, we are popping each and every value. What this pop method will do? It will remove the object at the top of the stack. So what we need to do? Okay, while first till the stack becomes empty, we are iterating through, we are popping each and every element. So now you see O, L, L, E and H. Got it? Now what is that next character after hello space world? So enter. W is entered, and then again, since it is not space, we are pushing the element into the stack. So now we are pushing O into the stack, and then again now we are pushing one more element into the stack, R, L. Again now we are pushing one more element into the stack, D. So now what is the last after the string length? We are coming out of this, and finally we are printing the space. Okay, since we have reached till this str.length, this for loop will not be executed after this if block. So now it will come to this till the stack becomes empty. What we need to do? We need to pop the element from the stack. So first D will be popped, L will be popped, R will be popped, O will be popped, H will be popped. Okay, D, L, R, O, W. So hope you understand this video. So how to reverse the single individual words from the stack. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon to get the latest updates. And one more thing is, I have created a Telegram group where I'll be posting all the videos as well as the interview questions related to Java in that Telegram group. So don't forget to join that group. I'll be giving that Telegram link in the description. Thank you.